guy, welcome to Amazing Videos YouTube channel once again. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for those that have subscribed. Thank you for those that have not subscribed. Or if you have not subscribed, please kindly do me a favor. Kindly do me a favor and subscribe. Please, it's not going to take me anything. One day, just tap and click now. Just click the subscribe button. It will not take you anything. Let's go straight to the point. Today again we are going to talk about another arbitrage opportunity. We are going to using two exchanges to do this arbitrage. So if you want to know this arbitrage opportunity, and it's a very profitable arbitrage opportunity, just stay tuned. Don't skip the video. Follow the video back to back till the end so that you will get the full details of this arbitrage. Thank you guys. Let's move over. In fact, before we start, the two exchanges that we are going to use is we are going to use a HOTBIT. Yeah, we are going to use HOTBIT and one other exchange, and also trust reliable. Once we move over to my screen, I'm going to show you everything about this arbitrage. Please subscribe. It's still your boy, Amazing Grace. Let's move on to my screen without wasting much of our time. Whoa, you see I'm sweating, but I must finish this video. Let's go there, guys. Move over to my okay, let's get started. Like I said, if you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do me a favor and click the subscribe button and like this video so that you'll be getting notification anytime that I posted any video, and I will really appreciate that. The two exchanges that we are going to use is HOTBIT. This is it. This is the two exchanges that we are going to use. This and this. No, sorry, this is not among, this is cancel. This and this, HOTBIT and this. Let me show you again. This and this. That is the two exchanges that we are going to use today. Without wasting much time, let's get to it. Then we proceed to HOTBIT. HOTBIT. Then mining account. Make it. Then search for the coin. Search for the coin. We're going to use the. Once you search for the coin, it's not going to show. It's not going to show at this global select. Just click at this place. Click at this. Then click at this. It will show. See, boom. Pop up. Okay, this is the price of the coin in USDT. Mark it. Mark this price. This is the price of the coin at USDT. Okay, let's move over to the other exchange and see the price over there. My phone is a little ball. You can see it if you are following me, and maybe if you fast forward this video, going to see something. So I urge you not fast forward. You stay on the video to the so I keep it every friend like this coin. Okay, see the coin. I hope you can remember the price of this coin at HOTBIT. The price. You can see the price here. See the price of the coin here. See the price of the coin here. Okay, let's do some example. Let me say, okay, we are $500 worth of this coin. We purchase $500 worth of coin. Look at, we get this. We get this. Look at, we purchase $500. See $500 worth of this. $500 worth of this coin, and this is what we are amount of the coin that we are going to get. You see? Okay, let's go to the wallet so that we can put it out so that we know how much or how many of that coin they are going to charge us if you are going. Click on up. You click on the coin. Click on the coin. the coin, we put the amount, that amount that 500 USD can buy. We put it here. So you see here, if we buy at that rate, if we buy 500 USDT worth of this coin, we are going to receive this. And when we are sending this coin to HOTBIT, we are going to receive this. We are going to receive 121.17. Well, let's go and know how much we can sell this 121.17 in HOTBIT. Let's move over to the HOTBIT. This is HOTBIT. Let it load up. Please, if you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, please do me a favor and join. You see the coin. We click at sell. We click at the first point, then we put the amount. Let me log in. We put the amount. That is 121.17. Automatically, you are going to make $5. You are going to make $5. At least if you can do this, see the profit. See the profit here. See the amount that we are going to receive in our HOTBIT. When you sell it here, you will get $505. This is a very nice one. This is a very nice card. You can do it as many times as you want, as the opportunity comes. You can do it as many times as you want. No limitation, nothing. And that is it. And you'll be making your cool money every day. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so and like the video so that you'll be getting an update, or you will be notified anytime I drop a new video. Please like this video and subscribe. And this is the end of the video for now. I'm going to be dropping another update on some coins. If you have any question, you can ask me on the comment section, or if you don't have a HOTBIT exchange or the other exchange, I'm going to drop the link on my description below for you to click the link and register. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Thanks. Boom! True. We are back. You can see it's a very nice and great opportunity. If you can be able to do that like 2 times, 3 times a day, 4 times, let me say 10 times in a day, at least you have made something. So guys, please subscribe to this YouTube channel so that anytime I drop new video, anytime that I drop new video or any updates, you will get it, you will get notified.